Hello, everyone. Welcome to this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 17th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics we have here. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Excuse me, 3 regular puzzles. So I won't do them all. Those puzzles in the additional, only half of them I will solve. And I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job. Understand that, people? And yeah, I don't have a lot of spare time, so yeah. The 3 stars Sudoku. Number 5029, I believe. Is this correct? 5, yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 3 stars, has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot say that always. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, that you need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 4 5s. Well, the 5s, okay. 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 5s are in majority. Yeah, the 5 is in majority. Yes. Let me start with 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then it will be difficult now with the 5. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5. 5. 1 2 3 4. Wait. 1 2 3 5 5s. Okay. All right. Well, cannot continue with the 5. Let me see, which number can I pick? Well. I'm thinking. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. All right. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. Sorry, we have a 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. That means 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, first row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6 now. Let me see. 3, 1, and then 9. Alright. What's the next step? The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair 3 and 9. There a pair 4 and 7. So what is the third pair in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 3, 9, 7. 3, 9, 7. Okay. 3, 3. I'm thinking. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Yeah. 7, 2, 4. 7, 2, 4. 7, 2, 4. No. 1, 1. I'm still thinking. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 in the last column. One of those missing numbers is the 9. Well, here cannot be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here can also not be a 9 because we have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the last column should be there. Okay, so now we have 2 missing numbers in the last column, the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7 are missing. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 4 and the 7. Now we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Need to think. 9. We have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2, and 8. Well. 2, 4. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look. This box can be a 4, so no 4 there. This box can also not be a 4, because we have a 4 in this big square, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. Let me wait for the markings, otherwise it's too messy. So need to wait. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 7, 7. And need a 2. Overlooked. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 here in the second row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Can I count? Let me check. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3, 9, 5, and a 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? We have here the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. That means 2. No. 3 missing numbers. 1, 8, and 1, 8, and the 2. Yeah, 1, 8, and the 2. Well. 2, 8, and the 9. 9. 2, 8, and the 9. Well, how about these 3, 2, 5, and then 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, and look, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. So 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. We have a pair, I believe, the 9 and 8 in this column, the 9 and 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. A 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 here in the first row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 3 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here in the first row. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 8. Now we have 8 here. So this box can be 8 anymore in the middle column. The 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 now in this middle column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku. Prepare for this one. It's a 4 stars. The hard one. Until then, bye-bye for now.